The default font of your inbox's message list is a Sego UI with a font size of 8. Now, depending on your monitor resolution or eyesight, this might be hard to read. Luckily, this is also easy to change. So in the inbox, you want to click on the Ribbons View tab, and on the left-hand side, you want to go to View Settings. In the Advanced Settings dialog box, you want to choose Other Settings. And what you want to change is the row font. So you would just click on that, choose the font that you want, the style, and the size. So I'm just going to choose a Calibri, regular, and maybe a size 11. I'll click on OK and OK. And one more time, OK. So now you can see the font in my message list has changed, and it's a little bit bigger, making it much easier to read. So again, that was View, View Settings, Other Settings, Row Font.